beautiful spaces evoke emotion and change the way we feel. This month, we found a stunning Green Hills home that will inspire you. Our favorite features? A stunning window wall that turns the dreamy backyard pool into a jaw-dropping work of art. An expertly crafted home office deliciously complete with its own bar. And a master suite so seductive it might be impossible to leave. Slip into perfectly tailored comfort and luxury designed to enhance your carefully curated life. It's 4640 Chalmers Drive. This is Chalmers Drive, a peaceful and charming street just a short drive from Vanderbilt University. All the best shopping Green Hills has to offer is 5 minutes away, and we're an easy walk to the beloved Seven Hills Swim and Tennis Club. This newly built 7,400 square foot home sits on a spacious 1-acre lot and offers 6 bedrooms, 5 full baths, and 2 half baths. This home is pure bliss right from the start, with floor-to-ceiling windows beautifully blending the indoor and outdoor spaces. The tranquil pool is nestled under a canopy of mature trees, giving you ultimate privacy. The dining room has an ambiance all its own with a sophisticated neutral palette, exquisite drop lighting, and captivating wine wall. This elegantly minimalist room begs for unforgettable dinner parties and sweet holiday gatherings where you will want to stay and savor every moment. The living room is clearly the heart of this home, a warm and inviting space that is the epitome of casual elegance. As comfortable as your favorite pair of tailored jeans, it welcomes your family's barefoot morning runs and cozy fireside snuggles. Effortlessly enjoy preparing dinner and spending time with family and friends here in the beautifully connected kitchen. A spacious area to gather, chop, whip, and bake, with plenty of room to spread out while discreetly keeping your creative messes tucked away in the expansive prep kitchen. Beyond the kitchen lies a hidden gem, a spacious room secluded from the rest of the house, accessible only through a set of back stairs. Here, your imagination can run wild. Customize the space to become a separate apartment, home gym, dance studio, or theater room. The opportunities are endless. At the opposite side of the home, this wing feels exquisitely private, with a custom bar that leads to a handsomely paneled home office. At the end of the hall, a sun-drenched guest suite with walk-in closet and beautifully appointed bath wraps the corner of the home. The owner's suite is blissfully set apart. The room is light and airy, with custom millwork lifting your eyes to the soaring ceilings, glistening chandelier, and stunning park-like resort. Expansive closets for 2, a ceramic soaking tub, and marble-lined floor and shower complete the dreamy space. Functional and beautiful, the second level rounds out the home. On this side of the home, find 2 bedroom suites, each with walk-in closets and handsomely appointed baths. This elevated bonus room provides a perfect entertaining space for kids or an additional seating area for guests. Set apart for ultimate privacy is this second master suite and stunningly appointed bath with double vanity and walk-in shower. We'd like to thank listing agent Tristan Kinsley with Compass and builder Colclasure Company for allowing us to feature this spectacular listing. Your home is a space that inspires and comforts and provides a stunning backdrop to your life's best memories. What feels like home is unique and special to you. So when you need to find your unique place in Nashville, we are honored to help you find your way home. Visit us and learn more at mmintown.com and keep coming back here to our channel to see our favorite homes and dive deep into Nashville's luxury home market.